Hello everybody, I just got my new scoreboard in from cornholeace.com. We're going to put this thing together and take a look at it. Okay, so one of the unique things about this cornhole scorer is that it is, there are no screws that are involved. No screws or tools needed. You just slide the pieces together. So this piece right here is the base right here, and we need to have a little crosshairs here for support. We're just going to slide this in and push it over. There we go right there. You can see right there how the base is easily put together with the little notches right there. So now we're good with the base right here. All right, this piece right here is the bottom piece. This goes in this little notch right here. And slide it across, push it all the way over. And you can see right here, it's got a little notch right here where you can put a tablet or cell phone, and you can use this as either for scoring purposes. If you use an app on a tablet computer, there are some scoring apps if you want to use those instead of the little scoreboard that they have that comes with it. Or you could put a cell phone here or tablet and use that to stream or record your games that you're playing, your cornhole games with your friends. All right, the next piece is the bottom that holds the drinks. You got little bases to hold your drinks of whatever you're drinking when you're playing. I'll slide this over this way. Very good. Simple right here. All right, so the next piece is for where the drinks holders, has the drink holders at the top. So we just need to slide straight across here. Make sure we get it in little notches in the back. There we go. All the way across. So it's super simple. That can be put together in about, a minute or two at the most. You just have to make sure that you slide the little grooves that they have you, and it's super easy to figure out. Super easy. You should be able to put together no problem. All right, and finally is our last piece. This is our scoreboard that goes out the top. You can see right here in the back, there's a little groove that goes all the way down. Very simple. So we're just gonna slide a little piece of wood all the way down, and it fits snug. Super clever design where it's ready to go. There's no tools needed, there's no screws or anything like that, so you are good to go with this. All right, so Cornhole Ace also provides these nice little handy little scoring clips. You just put these right here and you keep track of your game as you play, and you can have your drinks right here. You can have your, your devices right here if you want. You could use a digital scoring on an app if you wanted to do that right here with the tablet. So, this is purely optional right here with these devices, but you got your drink cans right here for whatever you're drinking, and you're good to go. And you just go all the way up to 21 and you keep track. So that way there's no debate on who's got what, how many points, because if you've ever played cornhole a lot, that can be confusing, keeping track of scoring when nobody really wants to do it, right? So if you're having trouble keeping score with your cornhole games, you might try one of these.